Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on the occasion of the flag-off of the Elele Omok Road, it is with distinct pleasure that I invite the man of the moment, a man who chooses to speak through direct service to the people, who understands that grace and ability come from God Almighty and continues to be lifted up by God Almighty. The Governor of River State, His Excellency, Sir Simnalai Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State. 365 days of service, and it has been by the grace of God.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, distinguished Senator John Azuta Mbata, our very special guest of honor, the Speaker, River State House of Assembly, Right the Honorable Victor Okojombo, other members of the House of Assembly that are here, His Excellency, our former governor, now we're standing the drama, we still call you the governor, Right the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Austin Okpara, member of the National Assembly and former Deputy Speaker of the distinguished House of the Representative. Other members of the National Assembly that are here, former senators, and also serving one in the future, members of the House of Representatives, ably led by our brother, Honorable Abiante, our leaders, Sam Jaja, Senator A.M. Purple, Chief David Breeze. The list is very large and long. I recognize every one of you. But I need to recognize our hosts. Fortunately, we have 3 hosts. The traditional ruler of Elele, who is our host. The traditional ruler of Emowa, who is also our host, the Mbata Highness, and our very river Oba of Obaland, who is also our host. We are in the center of 3 local governments, Ikwere, Emowa, and Oba Ebema local government area. His Majesties and Highnesses that are here, although the social media people and they are blocking you people, but I recognize every one of you. Permanent secretaries, head of industries, leaders. Let me especially recognize the secretary to the state government and members of the State Executive Council that are here. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are not going to talk much because the few that we have said is already causing so much problem. But what we are doing today is letting the world know that we mean well for our dear state. We are showing and displaying that every kobo received will be accounted for. And in accounting for those money, we are here to tell the world that Elele, Ebeda, Omok road is being constructed by our internal generated revenue, and 50% of that cost has already been paid. Why did we pay 50%? We understand the fluctuation of prices as a result of exchange rates, and we don't want to find ourselves in a situation of too much variation. So we seek ESCO approval, and ESCO approved that we should pay 50%, and we have done that. And what is that saying to the world? We are people that are transparent. We are a government that are ready to serve. We are a government that thinks about the people. This road is a 33.3 kilometer road that has a bridge. It's a road that will connect Ikwere, Omawa, and Abobema. When this road is completed, commerce activity become very easy here. No more spending of man-hour. And that is thinking for the people, thinking about the people, and also caring for the well-being of the people. So today, I want to charge these 3 local government areas. Support the contractor. Let this project be delivered between the 24 months of duration. They have promised us that before our 3rd year in office, that will be coming here to commission it. And I know strongly, I haven't confirmed the reputation of the contractor. I have no doubt that they will deliver. So I want to thank every one of you for your patience. Continue to support us. We mean well for our people. This is not different from the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. Our mission is not different from the mission of Mr. President. Mr. President's mission is to give hope to our people. And we are here to give hope to the people of Ikwere, the people of Emawa, and the people of Oba, Ebema local government area. Genuinely, not because we have any economic interest here, not at all. We're doing it as a service to our people. Let me thank every one of you for your support. We have started our journey in showcasing our interests, showcasing our wishes, showcasing what we have done in the past 1 year. But let me remind you, we never had 1 year. We just started about 3 months ago. That is the truth. You all know what we are going through. You all know this pressure that this government has faced, not as a result of its own fault. But the good thing is, whether you take it 1 year, whether you take it 3 years, whether you take it 3 months, what we have done today is display to the world that we know what we are doing, and we are ready and prepared for the task of governance. Let me thank every one of you for your support. While you give us support, conduct yourself very well. Let me also say this here. When we left Aleto the other day, some people went there and attacked our people. There's no need for it. Nobody is a monopoly or has monopoly of violence. I should be the one who will even come and shout that I will do this, I will do that. But I don't need to do that because both sides belong to me. So I'm advising those people who call themselves local government chairmen. You have a few days in office. Please conduct yourself. Politics will come, politics will go. We will still live our lives. Let anybody not deceive you. If you deliberately hurt anybody in the course of maybe expressing your useless support, nobody will forgive you. You will pay for it. So I'm begging everyone, please conduct yourself. As a matter of fact, I'm the one that is most hit, abused. Mumu governor, we don't know what to do with power, is it not? Have I said anything? So please, just endure. Until when you finish, you go your way. I don't want any trouble. I don't want anything that will bring any problem in this state. I know what they want to do, but we will not give them the opportunity. We have made our promise to our leader, who happens to be the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that we will take the path of peace. And that is the path we are taking. We will continue to take that path. Don't mind what they say. Don't mind what they do. Peace remains the path. Why taking the path of that peace does not mean we'll have to see, or let me describe it this way. We turn to a tree that will just stand and see somebody coming to chop it down. No. We need to also protect ourselves. So let me thank you for all your support. I assure you that this government, more especially this administration, have the interests of the good people of River State at heart.
I want to take the privilege to first of all congratulate His Excellency and the government of River State on this grand occasion of your first anniversary in office. We are indeed extremely delighted that we have a governor of your caliber. We salute your leadership on this occasion. We salute your humanity on this occasion. We salute your humility on this occasion. We salute your propensity and preference for peace and tranquility. We are very delighted to be associated with a governor like yourself. Our very presence here today, I believe, makes the point that we are your supporters. We don't have to talk too much about it. Anybody who's a politician understands that by standing here, I am making a grand political statement. We are the face of the people who are behind, and we're many, millions of people, Rivers people, chiefs, traditional rulers, elder statesmen, businessmen. we make the silent majority that are behind, supporting the effort of the government to emancipate the people and to bring development to Rivers State. Let me take the opportunity to call upon all and sundry, all our people, wherever you are, to give your utmost support to the government, because for the very first time, government has moved away from the time when the governor was seen as a teen god, a time when the governor demanded worship, so to say, to a time when the governor has become a symbol, a rallying point for the people, a rallying point for accountability of resources of our people, a rallying point for bringing all our people into the same boat. We're in an era where massive and extended consultation is the order of the day, when nobody's view is thrown away. On this grand occasion of your first anniversary, we further associate with you, we further greet you, and we wish you all the best in office in the first four years of your tenure. After that, we'll see how it goes. You can be rest assured that the way you are performing, the people will certainly rally around behind you to give you another term in office. We'll make a bold declaration that 4 + 4 is equals to what? nnamdikanu Chukwu. Kalaman Mekau. nnamdikanu Chukwu o mekene. Your Excellency, "35 kilometers or 32 kilometers of dual carriage highway is not a child's play anywhere in the country. This is the kind of project that only the federal government has the capacity to do. But we have seen your bold initiative to accomplish it. As we were coming, we could see the concerted effort of the contractor just 2 weeks after the marching order. We're encouraged and we believe that this project will be completed on time and on budget. We know that you are an accountant and that you will not allow Rivers State money to be frivolously spent. So we would like to call upon our people. And they want to have the and hobla government gualam agura kalaro naha anu mam government go ha basaru okay and hapo handeka and rumu wena ina kana ino enyobla city no 2007 appropriate time be me haka ozin have the meli hora ha yo sonu ndeke bere na nahia okay ano black government name aisha nya no ma so that beke balaha beke shy okay kai oblanya mentor kalaman make up mentor Your Excellency, baka n'ogologo Salmon Busomano, Church Abali. It's a long grammar, it's not good for evening service. It is therefore my delight and pleasure to do the needful, which is the primary aim of my coming here, which is to flag off this project, and I do so to the glory